Well, good morning, everybody. I had to go into town, and I decided to go into the Whole Foods on Canby. I'm just waiting for the Italian. My goodness, I found they got this pastry, a bear claw. My goodness. Okay, so yesterday I did a little videoing in the studio, and excuse me, oh, it's delicious. I'm working on a Star Black Diopside skull ring, and so I'm gonna lead off here, maybe having my muffin, bear claw, I should say, really good, and then I'm gonna just kind of go into the studio. I'm not there right now, but we'll just go into the studio, and then we're going to I'm going to show you how I designed the ring, or kind of break it up a little bit so you can see how the ring's designed, and then we'll go from there. And then excuse me, my goodness, light fluffy pastry. Oh, big thumbs up. You should see it in here. Fantastic. Pizza oven, the restaurant, bakery, sandwich shop, everything like that. Really nice. Okay, we're gonna get at it. So if you like what I'm doing, hit the subscribe button, make a comment, and hit the like button. Okay, so let's head on over to the studio. Oh, did you reach out to somebody today? Call one of your old pals, make sure everybody's okay. Okay, so that's the ring there. Now, and try to put that in perspective. That stone is going to go in there, right? Okay, so let's put that right there. And let's just move this around a little bit so you can see it. There's the skull. And this is going to be in silver. So this is going to be antique all back here, and it's gonna just pop. It's gonna be so. Let's do something here. This is matrix. We'll open this up here. So I had a series of, let's put the gem back. Here's the gem. Okay, so now we're looking at this. We're looking this. What am I looking? This is let's change this to Are you working with me here? Can you see that? We're going to switch that to onyx. Okay, because that's the blackest thing that I got here. And then this green, this light green, is white gold. So we can now go and we could just do a quick rendering, just to kind of get an idea what's going on here. Render, no, what am I looking at here? What am I doing wrong? Perspective, plastic, X-ray goes rendered. Right? Okay, that's a real basic idea of what it is. So I'm going to set this up in a milling program, and then we're going to mill this piece out here, and I think they're going to be cool rings. So that'd be looking at it front up and from the side. Okay, so let's. And how did I get to this? You're probably wondering. Okay, so let's change this back to plastic. You can do that with this function here also. There's all sorts of, you can change it to, where'd it go? Right, you can see it. So if you're working on it, I don't know if you can see what I'm showing you right now. Right, you can see through it. Right, and here's more of a plastic type of with the plane. So if you wanted to separate this plane here and work on it, and there's functions in here, you can. But if you want to get that detailed on a ring like this, it just really, it doesn't really make a lot of sense. Okay, look at that. So there we go. Oh no! Wow. Okay, let's plastic, right? We want that back to plastic. Are you catching this? Okay, so this might be a long video, but what I wanted to show you was how I kind of got to this. So that is, okay, well, let's delete this now. We'll delete that, and we'll go perspective. So I started this ring. This was the original ring I had made years ago. And so I deleted this, and I deleted that, and then I moved things around a little bit. Let's get rid of this. I deleted that, and so let's go back to the, and I saved this kind of along the way. And then so then I measured this stone out, and I put a new stone here. I put a new stone there. I'm going to show you kind of going through there to how I got to the wax, to the rendered CAD file. Okay, I hope this makes sense. Okay, so I'm going to try to put this back here again. Okay, so, and I'm going to leave this up here just, and I'm going to move this up a little further here. So then I got rid of this. Oh, sorry, that was deleted. Well, I don't know why it came back on this one here. So then I delete this. Okay, and then I went to, where's the next one? Here it is. Okay, so now this is the new stone and the new bezel. And there's the skull kind of sunken down and kind of moved back, and there's nothing behind him. So then I moved along, delete. I'm going to try to, then I moved the skull out. He's not on the other side yet. I kind of got this all looking like I kind of want it. So then I delete. So I think I'm at the right spot now. Okay, then I said, okay, well, see this red thing here? I made that plate behind it so that when this gets recognized by the milling program will see that red as the back. It won't go any further. So it's going to be a nice solid ring. Okay, so he's been moved around a little bit. And I also changed the taper here on the bezel. So it's going to be easier for me to set that. Okay. Then I took the purple, I dragged it down a little bit, so the purple and the red meet now. So if I were to turn the green off, let's close this. If I were to turn the green off, can I do that? Yeah. You see how this is, and I could change this all to one color, it'd be a solid piece. But it allows you to work on things and keep a perspective of it, right? So you know what you're doing. So now I know this is a nice solid ring. Okay, so let's drag that, open that up again. Delete. Now I saved these all along the way, right? So then that, I showed you that. Now I've changed it all to one color, okay? And that's the finished ring. Now that's the finished ring, but I decided to dress it up a little bit because this is kind of plain. This area in here, you see, can you see my cursor? This area in here is kind of plain. So I thought, okay, let's change that up a little bit. Let's delete that. Let's go back here now. And then I said, okay, oh, I don't know if you noticed, let's go back here. Delete. You notice how this is only on one side? Because I'm only doing the work on one side because I know this is the same, the other side of the ring is the same geometry. So I just copied this and I pasted it onto the other side. There's a little function in here. We go back here and I highlight the green and we'll close this and we'll open this and we'll go plastic. And then I'm going to go, I've highlighted that, right? And then I'm going to go like this. and then I go copy, and then I F4 finds me the center of the world. You press the up arrow, it grabs it, and then I move it to the other side. Okay? You see that? So I didn't have to reinvent the whole thing for the other side. I just dragged it and pasted it. Right? Okay, and that's when I got to this one. Okay, and I did the same thing now for these, right? I went like that. I went F4, I went to copy, and then I grabbed them from the center here, and then I brought them around, and now they're there, right? So I only edited and worked on one side. I built a line, and then it has a tool here, beads on a curve, and so that is how we got to the CAD file. Okay, you guys? So that's my next project. So that's going to be pretty cool. That's the gem. Right? Boom. And Black Star Diopside. Cool piece. I got 6 of them. Okay, so that might be it for today. I'm going to have to edit this and figure it out and try to get back into this one here. Is just a fun project. I got a few other projects I'd like to get done. I got a sink to install in the house and a few other things like that. I'm trying to. Oh, look at there's the other Star Diopside. Look at that. There's 2 of them. I know I've got 6 of them here. 12 by 6. Yeah, 12 by 16. Okay, you guys, I think I'm going to end it off here today. Picture the milling machine in the background. We're gonna cut this one on this mill over here. It's more of a 5-axis mill. So I'm going to set it up. It's going to up and down, back and forth, rotating, and then this actually moves too if I need it, but I won't need it for this project. It'll just be just up and down, back, side and side, and rotating. So that'll be, that's called a 4-axis mill. You're not using that 5th axis. Okay, did you reach out to anybody? Did you call them? I think I might have already said this. Thank you for the people that reached out to me. It really made a difference for me. The last couple of weeks I was quite sick. I'm getting a lot better. I got some projects I'm finishing. I got some nice horses here. Things are working out beautifully. Maybe I'll do some videos with them over the next few weeks. Well, for the summer for sure. You know, my dogs are great. Everybody's happy. And if I know this is going to be a kind of a all over the place video. If you like what I'm doing, hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Make a comment. Doesn't cost you anything. Helps build my channel. I think I'm rolled over to about 18,500 subscribers. I sure appreciate it. Somewhere around there, over 18,000. My Instagram account, there should be a link in my bio or the link in my description there. I think I have over 10,000 followers there, and I'd like to see where the new year takes us all on this adventure. And I'm going to try to do some more interesting videos and try to make it a fun channel. Reach out to a pal. Make sure that everybody's good in your circle, eh? Because it goes real quick. Star Diopside. I'm going to use it into a skull rig.